Before to start cleaning and maintenance, please make sure your kettle is unplugged from socket or from the main base, and allow the kettle to cool down. Open the lid by pressing the button on top. From the spout place, use the index finger to extract the filter. Press in the middle of the filter from outside and with second hand from inside hold it. When washing the filter, make sure your hands are clean and free of soap, creams or other products which could contaminate the water. Make sure to not press on the mesh to avoid of breaking the filter. Wash the filter under the running water with your tip of the fingers or with the aid of soft brush. In long running, if the filter will be covered in lime scale, then put the filter in mix of water and white vinegar till you can see is descaling. Put the filter back in position behind the spout, placing it with the hooks towards you. As you can see, if the filter is placed right, then it will not fall.